VistaTrac simplifies your receiving process by enabling you to scan your supplier's barcodes, capturing all their information, including pack dates, lot numbers, weights, the entire packer barcode. You can also print labels for suppliers that might not send you G10 labels, and as soon as those labels print, the item is received into your inventory. VistaTrac is a real-time raw materials inventory, allowing you to receive directly against purchase orders from your existing accounting system. You can also collect custom data at receiving per line or per item, such as weights, lot numbers, temperatures, or any custom information that may be specific to your industry to help you eliminate your handwritten receiving logbooks. If your current process is utilizing handwritten logbooks on the receiving dock and manually entering that information back into your accounting system in the office, you need to give us a call today so you can start using VistaTrac to improve your receiving process.